The internet has grown in importance by many folds over the process of decades. Its importance in the education world can now never be undermined. Despite the chances of fraud and drawbacks, the use of the internet is like a blessing for students. Today, the internet is something that is present in almost everything we use. Sportsmanship is an understanding of and commitment to fair play, ethical behavior, and integrity, and general goodwill toward an opponent. It is an affirmation that an athlete is disciplined enough to have perspective, maintain poise, and do what is best for his or her teammates. Being able to make appropriate behavioral choices in a pressure situation will often reveal a player's character. Modern technology changed a lot from what we saw in the last decade or the past century. New machines and gadgets are invented to make job easier like never before. From the little tailor machine to the fastest car in the world, all got automated, reducing the manual actions required to the least.